loose fit. This allows all the segments to wiggle around and move. Now imagine if the rattle is shaken, those segments can knock into each other over and over, which makes a rattling sound. But not like this. This is not what a rattlesnake rattle really sounds like. Because rattlesnakes can shake their rattle much faster than I can. While this sounds like a rattling sound. Rattlesnakes can shake their rattle so fast, it sounds more like a buzzing sound. And that's how rattlesnake rattles make sound.